देखो, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं हाईलाइट द मेजर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर एंड सजेस्ट वे टू रिमूव देम एंड डिस्कस द मेजर प्रोग्राम बीइंग रन बाय गवर्नमेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर. Indian agriculture is a story of success, a story of and a story of failure. M.S. Swaminathan. Bihar is predominantly an agrarian state with over 76% of its population engaged in agriculture. Economic Survey 2023-24. Despite being one of the largest producer of maize, lychee, makhana, the state faced several challenges such as flood, drought, fragmented landholding, and inadequate irrigation infrastructure. Key challenges in Indian agriculture. पहला है declining soil fertility, continuous and excessive use of chemical fertilizer, monocropping and soil erosion have led to decline in soil health. The Soil Health Card Scheme 2015 aims to address this, but adoption remains low. नीति आयोग report 2022. अब है लिमिटेड इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी. ओनली 45% ऑफ इंडियाज नेट सोन एरिया इज इरीगेटेड. वर्ल्ड बैंक 2022 में. इन बिहार दिस फिगर इज 62, बट मैनी फार्मर स्टिल रिलाई ऑन ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर मेथड दैट आर इनएफिशिएंट एंड expensive. Water scarcity. India has just 4% of global fresh water resource but supports 16% of world population. नीति आयोग 2019. Ground water depletion is an growing concern, especially in states like Punjab, Haryana, Bihar. Jal Jeevan Haryali Abhiyan in Bihar aims to promote water conservation and efficient irrigation. Fragmented land holding. Over 86% of Indian farmers operated on small and marginal land holding. Agriculture Census 2015-16, leading to inefficiency in production and mechanization. In Bihar, 91% of farmers have holding of less than 1 hectare, making commercial farming unviable. Low productivity. Indian crop yield remain below global average due to outdated farming techniques, lack of mechanization, and poor access to high quality seed. Wheat yield in India is 3.5 ton per hectare, whereas it is 8.5 ton in China. Food and Agriculture Organization 2022. Limited access to technology and market. Poor infrastructure, lack of cold storage, and weak market linkages result in post-harvest losses of nearly 10 to 15% of total agricultural output. ICAT 2021. Bihar lacks agro processing unit, making value addition difficult. Climate change impact. Erratic monsoon, flood, drought, and rising temperature negatively affect Bihar output. Bihar, being a drought-prone state, losing nearly 2 to 3 billion hectare of crop land annually due to flood. बिहार डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी कितना 2 to 3 मिलियन हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड. स्ट्रेटजी टू ओवरकम एग्रीकल्चर चैलेंजेस. पहला इन्हांस इरीगेशन इन्वेस्टमेंट. प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना प्रमोट माइक्रो इरीगेशन एंड एफिशिएंट वाटर यूज. जल जीवन हरियाली अभियान फोकसेस ऑन वाटर कंजर्वेशन एंड एफॉरेस्टेशन. प्रमोटिंग क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना प्रोवाइड्स फिनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी अगेंस्ट क्रॉप लॉस. राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना encourage farmer to adopt alternative high value crop. Bihar कृषि roadmap focuses on increasing productivity of non-traditional crops, improving infrastructure and market access. प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना improve rural connectivity. National Agriculture Market (ENAM) provides better price realization for farmers. Bihar State Agriculture Produce Market Act reform help in setting up private mandis and direct farmer to buy trade subsidies and financial assistance. PM Kisan 6,000 annual income support to small and marginal farmers. Kisan Credit Card Scheme provides easy loan at subsidized interest rate. सात निश्चय पार्ट 2 बिहार includes financial incentives for agriculture development, leveraging Technology and innovation. Soil health card scheme help farmer monitoring soil fertility and nutrient balance. Agriculture digital agriculture mission use AI, IoT and drone to enhance productivity. Bihar Agri Startup Policy 2023 encourage tech based agri एग्रीप्रियनोरशिप. अब आते हैं की गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट. प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना फोकसेस ऑन माइक्रो इरीगेशन एंड एफिशिएंट वाटर यूज. सॉयल हेल्थ कार्ड स्कीम प्रोवाइड फार्मर विद सॉयल हेल्थ रिपोर्ट टू प्रमोट सस्टेनेबल फार्मिंग. प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना ऑफर सब्सिडाइज क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस अगेंस्ट नेचुरल डिजास्टर. पीएम किसान डायरेक्ट फाइनेंशियल एड ऑफ 6,000 एनुअली टू स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर. नेशनल एग्रीकल्चर मार्केट ई-नैम ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म टू कनेक्ट फार्मर directly with buyers. Mission Organic Value Chain Development in Northeastern region supports organic farming in Northeast. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandan Yojana provides a pension scheme for small and marginal farmers. Paramparagat Krishi Yojana encourage organic farming and farmer produce organization formation. राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना supports infrastructure development, market linkages and diversification. बिहार कृषि रोड मैप 2023 से 28 focuses on agricultural modernization and rural prosperity. The future of Indian agriculture depends on sustainable practices, technological advancement and strong policy support. While various government initiatives aim to enhance productivity, irrigation and market access, effective implementation and farmer awareness remains a key challenge. In Bihar, addressing issues like flood management, soil degradation and access to credit can significantly improve agriculture outcome. A holistic approach integrating innovation, infrastructure, and institutional support is essential to ensure long-term growth, food security, and farmer welfare. अब आते हैं फूड सिक्योरिटी. फूड सिक्योरिटी refer to the availability, accessibility and affordability of food for all individual at all level. The Food and Agriculture Organization defines food security as a condition where all people at all time have physical, social and economic access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food that meet their dietary needs and food preferences for an एक्टिव एंड हेल्दी लाइफ. मतलब फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फूड सिक्योरिटी को क्या कहती है? ऑल पीपल एट ऑल टाइम हैव फिजिकल, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक, फिजिकल जा सकते हैं, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक एक्सेस टू सफिशेंट, सेफ एंड न्यूट्रिशियस फूड डेट मीट देयर डाइटरी नीड एंड food preferences for a active and healthy life. In India, food security is crucial for socio-economic stability, poverty alleviation and public health. There are 4 dimensions. सबसे पहली है availability. It is related to the production and supply of food. मतलब कितना प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है और कितनी सप्लाई हो रही है. It is related to availability. It is related to production and supply of food. Access. It is related to availability of people to obtain food. Availability देखेंगे हम, access देखेंगे, utilization. It is related to the way people use food. Stability मतलब availability, access, utilization and stability. It is related to the availability of food system to withstand shock and stresses. Why there is a need for food security in India? High undernourishment level. 195 million people in India are undernourished. Bird food program. 43% of Indian children suffer from chronic undernutrition, affected their growth and development. Rising hunger level. India ranked 105 out of 125 countries in Global Hunger Index 2024, indicating severe hunger and malnutrition issues. Inequality in food access, economic disparities prevent many from accessing nutritious food. Rural and tribal population face higher level of food insecurities due to lack of infrastructure and market access. Climate change and agriculture vulnerability. Extreme weather events like flood, drought and heat waves affects food production. The IMD report a 36% Rainfall deficit in eastern India in June 2023 impacting crop yield. Supply chain and distribution gap. Despite surplus food production, food shortage, food storage and distribution lead to food wastage. 40% of food production 40% of food produced in India is wasted due to lack of cold storage and inefficient logistic. ठीक है. Population growth and demand pressure. India's population surpassed 1.4 billion in 2023, increasing the demand for food. Ensuring food security is crucial for sustained economic and social stability. Rising food inflation. Food prices have increased with retail inflation of 7.4% जुलाई 2023 में. RBI कह रहा है मेकिंग इसेंशियल फूड आइटम अनअफोर्डेबल. गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव क्या है? स्कीम्स लाइक PM गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना, मिड डे मील स्कीम्स हेल्प, बट कवरेज एंड एफिशिएंसी नीड्स इम्प्रूवमेंट. The National Food Security Act 2013 provides subsidized food grain to 800 million people at implementation gap remains. National nutritional deficiency. India has a high prevalence of anemia. 57% of women aged 15 to 49 and micronutrient deficiency. National Family Health Survey 5 2021. Ensuring diverse and nutrient rich food is essential for improving health and health outcomes. Food security for national stability. Hunger and malnutrition can lead to social unrest and economic slowdown. Strengthening food security is vital for India's growth, productivity, and human development index. Government initiative to ensure food security. National Food Security Act 2023 provides subsidized food grain to about 2/3 of India's population. Public distribution system ensure food grain distribution through fair price shop. Midday meal scheme provide free meal to school children to improve nutrition and encourage education. Integrated child development services aim to tackle malnutrition among children and pregnant and lactating mother. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana launched during COVID-19 to provide free ration to the people. राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना encourage investment in agriculture for increased productivity. प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि provide direct income support to farmer to enhance their purchasing power. E-NAM facilitate online trading of agriculture commodity to ensure better price for the farmer. Role of international organization. Food and agriculture organization assist in policy formulation and technical support for sustainable agriculture. World Food Program collaborates with the Indian government to improve food security program. United Nations Environment Program promotes sustainable agriculture practices and address environment issues related to food security. Way forward to strengthen food security in India, the following measures should be taken. पहला है diversification of agriculture. Moving beyond cereal-centric agriculture to include pulse, oilseed, fruit, vegetable and livestock. Sustainable agriculture practices. Encouraging organic farming, precision agriculture and efficient agriculture method like drip and sprinkle irrigation. Strengthening public distribution system in ensuring transparency, reducing leakages and including nutritious food. Investment in agriculture research, promoting innovation in high yield, climate resilient crop, enhance rural infrastructure, improving rural road, cold storage and market linkages, addressing malnutrition, expanding nutritional program, promoting dietary diversity or increasing awareness about balanced diet. Leveraging technology, using AI, satellite imagery and data analytics for better crop monitoring, yield prediction and supply chain management. Climate resilient policy, implementing adaptive policy to counter climate change effect on food production. Encouraging agri entrepreneurship, promoting farmer producer organization, food processing industries and startup in agriculture sector. Global partnership, strengthening collaboration with an international organization for best practices and financial assistance. A holistic approach integrating agriculture, nutrition, trade, and technology is essential for achieving sustainable food security in India. अब आते हैं MSP पे. MSP is a government policy to protect farmer from sharp price fall by ensuring a minimum price for their produce. Historic background 1960. MSP was introduced during food shortage to encourage in agriculture production and achieve food security. K. Jha Committee advocated for MSP to shield farmer from market volatility. Evolution initial focus on wheat and rice, but now cover 23 crops, including cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and commercial crops. Special provisions for sugarcane pricing evolved into fair and remunerative prices system in 2009. Under minimum support price, the Commission for Agriculture Cost and Pricing recommends price for 23 specific crops and a fair and remunerative price for sugarcane. The the Commission for Agriculture Cost and Pricing is a department of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. How is minimum support price is calculated? The CACP takes into account various factors when recommending MSP, such as cultivation cost कितनी है, supply and demand की क्या situation रही है, market price trends कैसा रहा है, both domestic and global, and the impact on consumer and environment. CACP considered 3 types of production costs. पहला है A2 plus family labor, and C2. A2 covers direct cost incurred by farmer, including expenses on seed, fertilizer, pesticide, labor, and more. A2 plus FL includes A2 cost and the value of unpaid family labors. C2 is a more comprehensive cost that also consider rental and foregone interest on own land and capital assist on top of A2 plus family labor. The final decision on minimum support price level and other recommendation is made by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs of Union Government. How does minimum support price benefit farmer? Income security provide कराता है. MSP guarantees farmer a minimum price for their crop, ensuring a stable income and protecting them from market price fluctuation. Price stability. MSP helps stabilize the price of agriculture products, preventing extreme fluctuation and ensuring affordable price for consumer. Encourage production. Minimum support price motivate farmer to increase their agriculture production by providing them with a fair price for their produce. Food security. MSP promotes a steady food supply by encouraging farmer to produce staple crop, reducing dependence on import and enhancing domestic food security. What are the issues with minimum support price regime? Procurement focus. The current MSP regime is primarily aimed at fulfilling the requirement of National Food Security Act rather than aligned with domestic market price. It functions more a procurement price than a genuine MSP. The dominance of wheat and paddy. The skewed focus on MSP for rice and wheat leads to excessive production of these crops, discouraging farmer from cultivating other crops and horticulture products that have higher demand. Ineffective implementation. According to Santa Kumar Committee 2015 report, only 6% farmer benefits from minimum support price. This means that 94% of farmer in the country do not receive the intended advantage of MSP. Debate on legalizing MSP support price in India. The debate on legalization of MSP has intensified in India recent years. While the intention behind this move is to safeguard farmers' income, its implementation carries significant economic, logistic, and systematic risks. Legalizing MSP, a critical analysis. Argument against legalizing MSP. पहला है फिजिकल अनसस्टेबिलिटी. A universal MSP backed procurement system could cost over 17 lakh crore annually as per Niti Aayog estimate, significantly significantly straining India's fiscal capacity. फिजिकल अनसस्टेनेबिलिटी है 17,000 करोड़ रुपए, 17 लाख करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, ठीक है। द करेंट MSP प्रिक्योरमेंट इज राइजली लिमिटेड टू वीट एंड राइस, with the Food Corporation of India procuring around 58.6 million tons of rice and 33.7 million tons of wheat in 2023-22. Expanding MSP to all crop would be financially unviable. Market distortion, overproduction, guaranteed price could incentivize farmer to focus on high MSP crop like wheat and paddy, leading to surpluses and shortage of other essential crops such as pulses and oilseed. Inefficient resource use, the paddy cultivation which consumes 4,000 से 5,000 liter of water per kilogram could further stress water scarce region like Punjab and Haryana. अब है shortage, storage and infrastructure challenging, warehouse constraint. India's storage infrastructure is already stretched with FCI's storage capacity at approximately 80 million ton, while annual grain production exceeds 300 million ton. मतलब इनकी कैपेसिटी केवल 80 मिलियन टन की है, जबकि जो ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन है वो एक्सीड हो चुका है 300 मिलियन टन्स. Logistic issues, perishable commodities like vegetable fruits requires a robust cold storage network which remain inadequate. Encouragement of inefficiency, lack of market competitiveness. A guaranteed procurement system may discourage farmer from adopting modern techniques, leading to stagnation in productivity, lack of market competition. ठीक है. Export distortion, MSP driven export could become 20 to 30% costlier than global market price, reducing India's agriculture trade competitiveness. Inflation pressure, higher government procurement cost could lead to increased food price, disproportionately impacting low income consumer. The economic survey 2021-22 highlighted that excessive procurement can create artificial shortages in open market, leading to price inflation. Administrative complexities, देखो, मैनेजिंग MSP फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ फार्मर इन इंडिया हैज़ ओवर 12 करोड़ फार्मर्स एज पर 2015-16 एग्रीकल्चर सेंसस could result in inefficiency, corruption and delays. The public distribution system has suffered from leakages of around 40% as per 2019 Niti Aayog report, raising concern about effective implementation. Impact on trade, World Trade Organization norms allows MSP procurement but discourage excessive stockpiling. In 2021, India faced World Trade Organization scrutiny for breaching permissible support limits under Agreement on Agriculture. Subsidized MSP-based export could lead to trade dispute affecting India's credibility in global market. State policy variations. Agriculture is a state subject under the constitution, and state-specific cropping patterns and market conditions make a one-size-fits-all MSP approach impractical.